Hello, my beautiful dance friends. In this video, you are going to learn the 3 most important bachata basic steps for beginners so that you are able to go out and have fun on the dance floor, whether it's on your own or with a dance partner. We are also going to cover some of the bonus tips and tricks to make sure you look confident and feel confident on the dance floor. This video is perfect for beginner bachata dancers, whether you have just started taking bachata dance classes or you've never danced a step in your life. This is the video for you. My name is Mark and I've been teaching people just like yourself how to dance for over 20 years. And assisting me today on the video is Yana. We are going to break down every step for you in an easy to follow step-by-step manner. We're going to do it first individually so that you can dance it on your own. And then we are going to show you how to dance them together with a partner. So if you are as excited as we are about your bachata journey, let's get going. Let's get started with the very first but most important part of any dancing, which is how we stand and how we move. So when you're going about your daily life, you have what's called human posture. And human posture is usually straight legs, you're standing up, your arms are by your side, and this looks great when you're out and about walking. But for dancers, this is not going to look good when you're dancing. It's going to make you too locked up and too stiff. So what I want you to do is the following. We're going to start by softly bending the knees, just to have a little flex in them, just allowing your weight to shift down to the ground. You're going to make sure that your butt is tucked underneath, so not sticking out, not overly done, but just under your body. So soft knees. Your hips are under you, and your chest is lifted a little bit. And with your arms, you're going to make sure that instead of dangling here by your side, you're going to just gently bring them above your waistline and always keep them there. For your hands, you're going to make sure that your wrists are straight, so no broken wrists like this. And your fingers are nice and soft, kind of held closely in a very loose fist, so that as you're moving, everything is able to move around with you. The knees are going to be soft so that as you switch between the two knees, your hips can start slowly moving as well. So bachata is known for its famous hip motion. We're not going to go too much into detail on those hips, but we'll just show you a little bit, and I'm going to have a whole other video about how to move your hips, how to do your arms, all of the styling and technique on the YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe for more of that content. Now that we have our basic movement and position, we're going to go into our very first step, the bachata basic. So we are going to start by turning away from you with our back, and we are all going to start together. So we're going to turn our backs to you. Now, usually the followers will start on the right foot and the leaders are going to start on the left foot. However, today, just to make life easier, we're all going to go on the left foot together. So the basic bachata step travels to the side. What we're going to do is with the left foot, we're going to soften our knees, we're going to pick our arms up, and we're going to take a small side step to the left. From here, you're going to close your right foot to your left foot together. Now you're going to move the left foot one more time to the side, and you're going to close your feet with a tap. Now on this tap, you're going to make sure that you're not putting your weight down, and instead you're just tapping the foot lightly using the ball of the foot. From here, your right foot should still be free. So we are going to move now to the right. The right foot is going to take a side step. We're going to close our feet together. We're going to shift our weight and take another side step to the right. And finally, we're going to do another tap with the left foot. So let's repeat all of that. We're going to do 3 steps and a tap to the left and 3 steps and a tap to the right. Ready? We're going to go leftward. We start side step, together step, side step, tap. Great job. Next, side step, together step, side step, and tap. Wonderful. Let's quickly talk about a few key points to make sure that this looks natural and nice on the dance floor. One of the main mistakes that people make is they start by taking too big of steps. So instead of going under the body, they start doing these humongous side traveling steps. And then not only is this very difficult to keep up with the music, but also you're just going to run out of space on the dance floor or be bouncing out of, in and out of people. So instead, keep your steps small under the body. So let's say if we start from here, we're going to start with our left foot to the side. Just keep it about hip width apart, together, hip width apart, tap, and again, small, small, small. Great job. The next mistake people make is they often lift their knees too high. So they start by doing these really stepping over a horse movements. So we're going to cut that out. We're going to keep our knees soft and relaxed. We're going to keep our energy down to the ground. Our chest is lifted, our arms are up. And when we're moving, we're just going to take small, relaxed steps. So we're just going to go side, together, side and tap, and side, together. Beautiful. So really relaxed, nice and small. This way you're moving to the music, to the beat, and you won't have trouble. We're going to do it one more time with our backs to you, so follow along. We're going to go with our left foot and side, together, side, tap, side, together. One more time. Left foot, together, left foot, tap. Right foot, together, right foot, tap. Great job, guys. You have just done the bachata basic step. Next, we are going to go into the second step you have to know, which is our stationary bachata basic. To do this, we are again going to turn our backs to you. And we are going to start again with our left foot, knowing that when you're actually dancing with a partner, the followers will start with their right and the leaders will start on the left. So here for the basic stationary step, we're going to do as follows. Instead of taking an outward step with the left, we're just going to keep our feet under our body, soft knees, everything the same, arms up, and we are going to march on the spot the 3 steps. So with the left foot, we're going to start by stepping left foot. Then we're going to replace our weight onto the right foot. Then we're going to replace our weight onto the left foot, and then we're going to bring the right foot in and do a tap. Let's repeat this on the right side. So we go right foot, left foot, right foot, tap. Let's do it one more time. So left foot goes on the spot, on the spot, on the spot, tap, spot, 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 tap. Great. Now notice that during this, I'm not stepping perfectly together because when you're actually dancing this with a partner, her leg is going to be usually between yours or her foot is going to be pointing between yours. So you don't want to be with your feet perfectly closed. You just have a little bit of nice, easy space in between. Great job. Next, we are going to do our final and third step for today, which is going to be a progressive step forward and back. Ready? Let's go. So we're going to start with our left foot one more time. And now we are going to travel forward toward the wall. So with the left foot, we're going to turn a little bit on an angle with our left side leading, and we're going to go forward step on the left, close our right foot together, take another forward step on the left, and tap the foot. Now we go backwards on the right. So we go back on the right, close the foot, back step, and tap. Let's repeat this one more time. Okay, so we're going to go forward and then back. Left foot, forward, together, forward, tap, backward, together, backward. Great job, guys. I'm very proud of you. So these are our first 3 basic essential steps in bachata. Now let's try and add a count, let's try and add some music, and let's try and put a little combination of all of them together. Okay, so let's start putting together the combination of all of these 3 steps. We're going to turn away again. We're all going to start on the left foot, and let's do this. We're going to do 2 basic steps forward and back, or sorry, side to side, then 2 basic steps on the spot, and then 2 basic steps forward and back this way, and then restart. So with our left foot, we're going to go to the left, or the count is going to be 8 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to go left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a tap, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is a tap. Again, 1, 2, 3, tap, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now from here, we are going to go on the spot with the left foot. We're going to go march, 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 tap. March, march, march. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. And now let's incorporate 2 of our forward and back basics. So we're going to start with our left foot. Body's a little bit on an angle, and we're going to go forward. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Let's combine this a little bit faster. So we're going to start with our side step. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 on the spot. 1, 2, 3, tap. 6, 7, again. Left, right, left, tap, and right, left, forward. Left, right, left, tap, 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tap. Guys, amazingly done. Good job, Yana. Now, let's put on some music and give it a go together with a beat. Okay, guys, let's try this now with the music. We're going to turn our backs to you, and we're going to go 2 sets of basics, 2 sets on the spot, and 2 sets forward and back. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, spot. March, 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 tap, march, march again. March, 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 march forward. Left, right, left, tap, right, left, right. Again, left, right, left. Side basic. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, again. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, march. Spot, 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 spot again. On the spot, forward. Left, right, left, back again. Left, right, left. You got it. You nailed it, guys. Congratulations. You have just done the 3 essential bachata basic steps. After this, you can go out and at least start dancing it on your own and practicing. Next, we are going to show you how to put these basic 3 steps together with a partner. Ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's get started dancing this with a partner. But before we do, I have a question for you. Are you enjoying this video so far? If you are, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel below, because we're going to be putting out more videos just like this for you about salsa, bachata, and all other social dances. So make sure you are subscribed. Okay, let's go for our next part of this video, which is dancing this with a partner. So the first thing we need to understand is that there are 2 main types of holds that we need to use with our partner. The first hold is a double hand open hold. For the guy, we're going to have both arms out, not close to the body, just a little bit out, and you're going to have the little V shape facing upwards. The lady is going to hook her hand into that V shape on both sides, so that when you're dancing, the arms are nice and by our waist, and they are able to be used to lead one another with, or to lead the partner with. So from here, this is what it looks like from this side. This is what it looks like from this side. So you want to make sure they're not too narrow. You also want to make sure they're not too down. So right about here, with a little bit of space between your armpits. Now, the next posture or hold that we need to learn is our closed position. And this one is going to have our arms for the leaders upward. I would say right about our head level or eye level, not too high, not too low, but you can also play around with the height here for styling. And on the other side, the leaders are going to take their right hand and they're going to put it on the back, right under the shoulder blade or on the shoulder blade of the partner, so right here. And then for the followers, they're going to place their hand nice and gently up and around the man's shoulder over here. So you can also put it on the top, whatever is comfortable, or a little bit behind here. And then when you're dancing, this is going to be how you're going to be leading each other or the partner with this, okay? So with that in mind, we are going to start our combination, exactly what we had done together separately. We're going to do it now together with a partner. So we're going to start with our open hold. Beautiful. We're going to just move a little bit here, and we're going to start now. Gentlemen or leaders are going to start on the left foot. However, the followers are going to start on their right foot. So that way, when we're moving, we are both moving to the same direction. Okay, so we're going to start with our initial basic step. We're going to start followers right foot and then leaders left foot. Ready? Let's go. We're going to go side, together, side, tap, side, together. One more time. Side, together, side. Great job. Side, together. Great. Now let's do our spot basic. So we're going to go together. On the spot, tap. March, march, march again. March, 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 and march, march, march. Amazing job. Now we're going to go forward and back, the same thing. This is where you can really use your connection with the partner to lead them away. So you want to make sure that when you're moving, do not move the feet first because you're going to bump right into them, but instead allow your arms to kind of guide them away as well. So we're going to go followers right foot and leaders left foot. We're going to go back. For the followers, we go back, together, back, tap, forward, together. Great. One more time. We go leaders on the left foot, followers on the right. Good, we're gonna do that one more time. Travel, 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 and travel, travel, travel. Okay, great. Let's put it all together with our double hand hold. We're gonna start to the basic side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 on the spot. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, travel. Walk, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, tap, walk, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, nice. Okay, let's just do the exact same thing in our closed position, just to show you what it looks like. Then we're gonna put it all together, and we're all gonna try it together with music with our partner, okay? So we're gonna start in our closed position. For the leader's arm is about eye level or head level, nice and relaxed. We are going to hook around the partner in this position here, so on her back, and let's begin into our side basic step. We're gonna start side, leaders left, followers right. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. You guys are professionals. All right, let's go for music. Okay, my friends, let's try this with a partner and with music. We're gonna start with our open hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5. Traveling, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, you got it. Let's do it. Now, basic. We're gonna go closed position. One more basic. 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's go on the spot. March, 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 tap, march. You're doing so well. Let's do it. On the spot, travel. But make sure you're using your frame to lead the partner backwards so that you're not kicking or stepping. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's go for double hand hold. Doing so well. Keep following along. Spot basic. 1, 2, 3. One more time on the spot. Spot. Yes. Travel. Final one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. You got it. Great, great job. Congratulations. You have just learned how to dance bachata, 3 essential steps, 3 essential basic steps with your partner. But your journey into bachata is only beginning. Today we've shown you the 3 most basic steps so that you can get out there and start dancing, but there's so much more to learn. For example, we need to learn how to be able to turn the lady, how to move our hips, how to move our arms, how to dance in a more fluid manner, how to be more musical. So for all of those videos, make sure you check out our channel down below so that you too can become a great social dancer. Thank you all for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you.